everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to explore exactly how you can take totally generic private label rights content, PLR, and turn it into absolute high-ticket gold using artificial intelligence. If you're a digital entrepreneur, you already know that PLR gives you an incredible head start. But actually standing out, well, that takes work. So we're going to dig into the exact tools that are making that transformation not just possible, but incredibly profitable. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the new PLR reality, dive into transforming content with AI, check out visual and media upgrades, break down the 80-20 success framework, and finally wrap up with the future of reselling. It's a clear path from big picture strategy to specific tools, all the way down to a concrete implementation plan. Section 1. The new PLR reality, evolving beyond the slap your name on it era. Let's be totally honest for a second. Reselling the exact same identical PLR products without changing a single word is literally a race to the bottom in pricing. That's the old way, basically slapping your name on a generic document and just hoping for the best. Since everyone else has the exact same content, your only way to compete is to drop your price. No way. We're not doing that. We need a fundamental mindset shift to the AI-enhanced way. This is where you focus on audience-optimized customization and building these amazing multimedia-rich experiences. That's exactly what justifies premium pricing, and it's what generates those enthusiastic 5-star customer reviews. The most successful resellers today, they aren't just redistributing, they are completely reinventing. Section 2. Transforming content with AI, the foundation of differentiation. So the very first step to actually standing out is reimagining your core text. You've got to match it to your unique brand voice and really tailor it to specific niches. Think about it. You could prompt an AI to rewrite a totally generic personal finance guide, but do it in the voice of a highly skeptical millennial. How cool is that? Now, what's really interesting about this comparison is how you pick the right tool for the job. ChatGPT, and specifically GPT-4, is your ultimate generalist. It's incredibly versatile for brainstorming and doing complex rewrites, as long as you give it precise prompts. Jasper, on the other hand, is highly specialized for marketing copy. It's all about maintaining brand voice consistency, and its templates will literally save you hours on sales pages, though, it does come at a higher price point. Finally, we've got QuillBot. This is your go-to for pure speed. It is absolutely perfect for precise paraphrasing and quickly refining existing text. It even comes with a plagiarism checker. So in a nutshell, use ChatGPT for versatility, Jasper for structured marketing, and QuillBot for rapid text refinement. The key to successful PLR transformation is maintaining the core value while completely reimagining the delivery. I want to emphasize this critical insight because it's a real game changer. We aren't changing the fundamental facts of the PLR, right? Like, if you have a course on photography, the rule of thirds doesn't magically change. But how you present it to your audience, that absolutely does. AI lets you take a generic photography lesson and instantly rewrite it to target, say, smartphone food bloggers, or maybe elderly travel enthusiasts. The core educational value stays exactly the same, but the delivery completely transforms to fit your specific audience. Section 3. Visual and media upgrades, justifying premium prices. All right, so we've transformed the text. But let's face it, we are highly visual creatures. Professional design instantly signals high quality, and it finally lets you ditch that terrible stock clip art we've all seen a million times. Here's a quick breakdown of some specific solutions to those everyday design headaches. Midjourney is just phenomenal for generating custom, photorealistic course module covers based purely on your text prompts. Then there's Canva, specifically its Magic Studio. This lets you take generic PLR worksheets and instantly apply your exact brand kit, colors, and fonts. Leonardo AI seamlessly handles consistent professional diagrams and brand graphics. And hey, if you're dealing with standard PLR slide decks, Beautiful.ai is a lifesaver. It automatically forces perfect design principles so you look like an absolute pro, no expensive design degree required. Video content increases engagement by 80% and helps justify premium pricing for PLR products. So the crucial point is really anchored in this powerful statistic. If you want to elevate the perceived value of your digital product, transforming a simple written document into an interactive, multimedia experience is literally the single biggest value add you can offer your customers. To pull off that kind of audio and video transformation, you've got a few absolute game changers at your disposal. First step, Descript. It offers AI-powered video and audio editing, plus this incredible overdub feature, meaning you can create professional voiceovers for your PLR effortlessly. Synthesia takes it a massive step farther. It allows you to create professional video courses using AI avatars that can speak in multiple languages. And the best part? You never even have to step in front of a camera. Lastly, Murph.ai is perfect for generating professional, incredibly natural-sounding audio versions of your courses, allowing your customers to listen and learn while they're commuting or hitting the gym. Section 4, the 80-20 Success Framework, Beating Tool Overwhelm. Look, I totally get it. Staring down a list of 20+ AI tools can feel incredibly overwhelming. But don't worry, we're going to distill this down to a highly actionable, manageable system using the 80-20 rule. Mastering just 20% of these tools will deliver 80% of your transformation results. Just focus on these 4 core areas first. Number 1, essential content transformation. Use ChatGPT to rewrite your introductions and examples for your specific niche. Number 2, basic visual enhancement. Jump into Canva to establish a clean, consistent visual style. Number 3, audience research. Use a tool like Answer the Public to ensure you're addressing exactly what your audience is actually out there searching for. And number 4, multimedia edition. Grab Descript or Synthesia to add at least one solid form of video or audio. Just master those 4 before you even think about expanding further. Let's move to and see how this builds together. When you take those 4 core areas, you get this highly actionable 5-phase implementation strategy spanning just 15 days. Days 1 and 2 are your strategic assessment, identifying exactly what needs updating. Days 3 to 5 are for content transformation, where you rewrite the core text. Moving on to days 6 to 8, that's visual redesign, generating all your custom graphics. Days 9 to 12 are for enhancement and expansion. This is where you identify content gaps and fill them in. Finally, days 13 to 15 make up your implementation experience. This is where you use tools like Notion AI or Taskade to turn that content into an interactive roadmap. It's an incredibly logical progression, taking you from raw PLR to a premium, interactive learning experience in just over 2 weeks. Section 5, the future of reselling, ethics and innovation. Now, as exciting as all these AI capabilities are, we need to ground this excitement by looking at the ethical horizon and the long-term implications of this tech. Human oversight remains absolutely crucial here, guys. You want to keep a few key guidelines in mind. First is transparency. It's always best practice to be upfront about the nature of your product, while proudly highlighting the custom value you've actually added. Second, value addition. You need to genuinely enhance the product. Don't just put lipstick on a pig, right? Add real substance. Third, accuracy verification. Look, AI can occasionally hallucinate, so verifying factual accuracy is absolutely vital, especially if you're working in technical or health-related niches. And lastly, original examples. Use AI to help you craft authentic, highly relevant case studies rather than completely fictional scenarios. That is how you build genuine trust with your buyers. The days of basic, generic reselling are completely over. We are officially in the era of the AI-enhanced, audience-optimized product. So I want to leave you with this provocative question to chew on. Will you be at the forefront of this massive transformation, or will you be left behind, still trying to push undifferentiated offerings? The tools are accessible, the framework is totally clear, and the opportunity right now is massive. All that's left is for you to jump in and start implementing. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on this explainer, and I absolutely cannot wait to see the high-value products you're going to create.